Igbo Kenemgi, none at Igbo Online College. I welcome you again to Igbo Online College. So today we'll be comparing some words in standard Igbo and Nsụka Igbo. So let's delve straight into it. Number one is aka. Aka, hand. Aka means hand. In Nsụka, it is pronounced eka, eka. Apa. Nsụka says eba. Akwa. Nsụka says ekwa. Awo, gray hair. By the way, apa is bag. Akwa is clothes. Awo, gray hair. Awo in standard Igbo, ewo in Nsụka Igbo. Agwa is beans or character. Agwa, beans that you eat or character. Egwa. Aha is name. Kedu aha ge? Eha in Nsụka, eha. Kedu eha ge? Agba, chin, or appointment. If you have an appointment with somebody, agba, egba. Aja, sand. Eja, eja, sacrifice. Ago, hunger. Ego, hunger. That is it. Igbo, standard Igbo versus Nsụka Igbo. Did you enjoy it? That is it. I will see you in my next one. Kemese.